Explore versatile packaging for perfume and beauty products. A complete range of packaging solutions for beauty brands. Elegant, functional boxes. Protect and showcase your products. Fully customizable to match your brand's style. Premium materials for lasting quality. Personalized with your brand's logo. Perfect packaging for small tubes and samplers. Display boxes with die-cut openings. Protective inner-lined cardboard boxes. Convenient flip-top boxes for easy access. Sturdy lid and base boxes with secure inserts. Contact us to customize your packaging.